The SlopeMaster ProGreen reader has been making waves among golfers, and after gathering feedback from users across the internet, we've compiled a detailed review to help you decide if this product is right for you. If you already own this product, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what people are saying about the SlopeMaster ProGreen reader. This innovative tool is designed to assist golfers in reading the slope and contours of the green with precision. It doubles as a golf ball marker, combining two essential functions into one compact and lightweight accessory. Made from aerospace alloy, it is both durable and stylish, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of regular use on the golf course. Its high-precision bubble level is the standout feature, offering accurate slope readings that can significantly enhance putting performance. One of the most frequently mentioned advantages of the SlopeMaster ProGreen reader is its ability to provide valuable insights into the green slope and incline. Users have reported that it helps them better understand the contours of the green, leading to more confident and accurate putts. This feature is particularly beneficial for golfers who struggle with judging breaks or slopes visually. Many users noted that with consistent use, their putting game improved noticeably. Another aspect that users appreciate is its compact and lightweight design. Measuring just over 3 inches in diameter and weighing only 0.04 kilograms, it's easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your golf bag without adding bulk. Its dual functionality as a ball marker further enhances its convenience, eliminating the need for additional accessories during play. The SlopeMaster ProGreen reader's durability has also received praise from users. Constructed from aerospace alloy, it feels solid and well-made, unlike some cheaper alternatives on the market. Several reviewers mentioned being pleasantly surprised by its build quality, expecting something less robust at its price point. The product's 10-year warranty adds an extra layer of confidence for buyers. However, like any product, it has its drawbacks. One common criticism is the learning curve associated with interpreting slope readings effectively. While the tool itself is simple to use, just place it behind your ball and read the bubble level, it takes practice to translate those readings into actionable adjustments for your putt. Some users felt this might be a barrier for beginners or casual golfers who don't want to invest time in mastering the device. Another limitation mentioned by users is its effectiveness on flatter greens. The SlopeMaster ProGreen reader shines on greens with noticeable slopes but offers less value on flatter surfaces where there's minimal break to analyze. Additionally, some golfers noted that using it during play could slow down the pace of the game, particularly if you need to place it in multiple spots to get a comprehensive reading of the green. Despite these minor drawbacks, many users found the SlopeMaster ProGreen reader to be a valuable addition to their golf toolkit. It's particularly well-suited for players who are serious about improving their putting skills and are willing to invest time in learning how to use it effectively. Golfers of all skill levels have reported benefits, from beginners looking to gain a better understanding of green contours to experienced players seeking an edge in their short game. In terms of usability, most users found the tool intuitive after a brief period of practice. Its compact design allows for seamless integration into your game without disrupting its flow. Unlike bulkier gadgets or high-tech solutions like laser rangefinders or GPS devices, this tool focuses solely on slope precision, filling a unique niche in golf accessories. When compared to traditional ball markers or other green reading aids, the SlopeMaster ProGreen reader stands out for its dual functionality and precision. While laser rangefinders excel at measuring distances and GPS tools provide course layouts, this product specifically addresses slope accuracy, a critical factor in putting success that's often overlooked by other devices. One user shared their experience of gifting this product to their son-in-law, who was immediately impressed by its impact on his putting game. Another reviewer highlighted its potential as a thoughtful gift for golfing enthusiasts, particularly given its combination of practicality and novelty. Several users even mentioned plans to purchase additional units as stocking stuffers for their golf buddies. That said, not everyone was entirely convinced of its utility. A few reviewers questioned its accuracy over longer distances or felt that it was more suited for very short putts near the hole. Others pointed out that while it's an excellent conversation starter and fun to use during practice rounds, it might not be practical for competitive play where speed is essential. Overall, the consensus among users is that the SlopeMaster ProGreen reader is a practical and innovative tool that can genuinely enhance your putting performance when used correctly. Its combination of high precision, durability, and portability makes it a standout choice for golfers looking to refine their short game. While it may not be ideal for every situation or player, its potential benefits far outweigh its limitations for those willing to invest time in mastering its use. If you're intrigued by this product and want to see how it can elevate your golf game, you can find more details through the link provided in this review description. Supporting our channel by using this link helps us continue bringing you honest and comprehensive reviews like this one. And remember, if you already own the SlopeMaster ProGreen reader or decide to purchase one after reading this review, please share your experience in the comments section below. Your feedback could be invaluable for other golfers considering this innovative accessory.